pedal.
I know. Jesus.
Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today for yet another car feature with a Mark III Cupra. Filmed so many of these things over the years, but it's always nice to go out in some different builds, some different turbo setups and things like that. This car is owned by Georgia. We'll introduce you to her very shortly, and it's a mental build actually, really cool. Stage 3, well over 500 brake, 520 brake, I think near enough, currently running at the moment. We've got a big turbo and a load of other supporting mods. So it should be a really cool build to experience. Like I said, we'll introduce you to her, we'll have a walk around, exactly what's been done to it, and then we'll go for a spin. Okay, we're joined now with Georgia. Thank you so much for bringing this little beast down for me to film today. It's a really cool car actually, really cool build. You had it long?
No, I've only had it about 6 months.
Oh wow, okay, so you've done all this in 6 months?
Yeah, it's yeah, I went stage 1 almost within a month.
Nice.
And then I decided to just go full out.
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Yeah.
So you skipped stage 2, just went straight full sends?
Yeah, pretty much.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. And as we know, as I said in the intro, running about 520 brake at the moment?
About 520, 640 Newton meters.
Okay, decent, strong.
Yeah.
Obviously DSG as well, so you can take that. Turbo wise, it's a pretty,
I've got
turbo.
Yeah, so it's a little bit different. I wanted to go hybrid, but I went something a little bit differently. It's a G3660 full frame turbo kit. So the Garrett turbo kit was redesigned by Pulsar to fit the standard IS38 manifold.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so there's a standard manifold and everything.
Yeah.
So it's a full frame turbo rather than a hybrid.
Yes.
Very cool.
Yeah.
It's got to be done really. You're going to do it properly.
Yeah, exactly.
And obviously all the supporting mods, things that you'd expect. Catch can, I'm glad you got catch can on it, because if you're going to drive it properly, which I'm sure you do with AR1s on it, then that's a big problem with this engine, so that's fine. And then obviously induction kit and everything like that.
High pressure fuel pump, Viz high pressure fuel pump, EcoTune, low pressure fuel pump.
Oh, you know, the low pressure fuel pump, okay.
Yeah, 1000cc port injection.
Yeah.
I will be forging it in the future.
For reliability or more power?
No, well, probably obviously for both, but I think at the moment I'm just going to keep it as it is, just to sort of get me ready for track.
Okay.
And then,
nice. So it's going to be a bit of a track car then, you reckon? Yeah. Rather than a show car?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
no,
definitely.
That's pretty cool. I mean, to be fair, it's all still pretty new. If you've only had the car for 6 months anyway, so enjoy it as it is.
Bedding it in.
Yeah. No, that's fair enough.
Yeah.
As I said, it's DSG as well.
Yes.
I guess it's all DSG mapped as well as the
Yes, it
CCU.
is. Yeah, it's all been done.
Nice. Who's done the tuning on it?
It's Narco tuning.
Okay.
Adam and Gordon has done it, so they've been absolutely perfect with everything, as you can tell. It's like
just stick it here.
Yeah, it's
so they did the stage 1 on it as well?
Yeah, they did the stage 1, and then instantly I was like, yeah, I want more power.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing with these engines. They're so... Obviously, this is highly strung now, but you can get so much power out of them.
Yeah.
Like it makes sense, really. And you've obviously got all the supporting mods for everything, which is great.
Yeah.
But moving around, as I said, AR1's on it, which is an interesting choice. So I suppose it makes sense if you're going to do some track days to have some proper tyres on it and be in front wheel drive as well.
Yes, definitely. Obviously, as you can tell, it's still got standard brakes on it. I will be changing them before I go on track. It's got upgraded fluid. Yeah. But obviously at the moment I've just done it, so it's only done about 200 miles at the moment. I've literally just come straight down here.
Oh wow, fair play. Well, thank you. I mean, every project is a work in progress. It's never ever complete, is it really? So suspension wise, what is it that you're running?
It's H&R Springs, 35mm drop.
Nice.
I was going to go 30 and do 19s, but a lot of people have told me that this is the better fitment, and obviously it's being thrown around corners and all sorts, so
exactly. 18s is better because you can get a chunkier chunkiest sidewall basically.
Exactly, yeah.
Especially with AR1s.
Yeah, exactly.
But exhaust wise as well, I guess it's pretty much straight piped.
Yeah, it's all the way through.
Yeah.
Miltech. I will be changing that to Scorpion because it is too loud.
Fair enough.
Way too loud.
Well, yeah, track car, you had to have them quite quiet really.
Exactly,
but,
yeah, there's
yeah, no, it's, to be fair, if you're running this kind of power, you're going to have a high flow downpipe anyway. So, but maybe get something with a valve in it or something like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so you can do that. But interior wise, completely standard.
Completely standard on the inside. Yeah. I do want to obviously take the rear seats out, put a roll cage in it.
Nice.
Just a standard.
Yeah, standard, got to be done.
But yeah, at the moment it's just standard.
Very cool. No, it's an awesome build. I mean, I'm sure it packs a punch at this power.
It's getting there. Definitely getting there.
Does it put the power down okay?
Oh, it's brilliant.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, these tyres probably really help.
Yeah, it doesn't hardly spin, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I mean, when you're on a roll,
yeah,
being front wheel drive anyway, it's probably, it's probably a lot of fun.
Exactly,
so
yeah.
I think if that's pretty much everything, we will get it started up and go for a spin.
Okay.
That's loud, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got full interior as well.
Yeah. It's so loud.
Yeah, that's mental, isn't it? That's definitely,
You can't have conversation, that's for sure.
No, I see what you mean, yeah. Third is mental.
I know. Jesus.
You need AC.
I know. Need it regassed. Jesus.
So this is probably still pretty fresh for you in terms of like experiencing it anyway.
Yeah.
But I mean, stage 1 to stage 2 is a big jump, but to go stage 1 to stage 3 was like 350 to 520.
Yeah. A bit of a jump.
Bit of a jump.
Yeah, it's great fun. Love it.
Where it's front wheel drive as well, even though it does grip pretty well, to be fair, you do have that fun where it doesn't grip everywhere, and you can kind of slide it around a bit, I suppose. When it gets to third, it's almost like it's got like, boost by gear or something.
Yeah. It's so much fun.
It's such a cool car, to be fair.
Love it.
So have you got any plans to, well, you said actually you're going to do some bits of the interior as well.
Yeah, I just want to...
I see what you mean, you can't have a conversation.
No. Yeah, no, I just want to obviously take the back seats out.
Yeah. So doing it again. Are you doing that on purpose?
No.
Well, stick a cage in the back.
Yeah. I think I want to go half cage.
To be fair, I mean, obviously I got full cage in mine, but you have to cut the dash, and it's a lot more involved, I think.
Yeah. It's obviously it's such a clean car. I don't want to.
Yeah, it's really tidy, to be fair. Really tidy.
Yeah.
I guess you're just going to enjoy it at the moment. Makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah, enjoy it. Go on a couple of tracks.
Yeah.
Obviously, probably looking to fully forge it next year now.
Yeah. Is it
ready for the summer?
Yeah, yeah. Well, I suppose this summer's nearly over already, isn't it? So.
Yeah.
Is it a car that you reckon like it's a keeper, or is it something that?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no way I'm getting rid of this.
I respect it.
Yeah.
Yes, I respect it.
Yeah. Too much time and too much fun in this.
That's it. I mean, yeah. Someone's pride and joy can be anything, can't it? Really,
100%.
It can be like a £1,000 car or whatever.
Yeah.
I suppose there's all the memories, like if you go to shows in it or track days.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's a car you've made your own and kind of done stuff with.
Meeting new people and stuff as well. I've met a lot of lovely people. So
Yeah, that's what it's all
in the
about,
last
isn't
6
it?
months. Yeah.
Yeah. I can't believe you've had it 6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been busy, to be fair.
I have. Yeah. Yeah.
What did you have before?
I've had quite a few. So I had a Megane.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
That I got. It was lovely to drive, but there was just so many issues with it.
Oh, really? Yeah.
So it was almost like everything was just kept going and going. Like there's so many issues. So I was like, oh, I have to get rid of it now.
Yeah.
I had an Audi, just a 1.4, but that was mapped as well.
Yeah. So you're not new to modifying?
No. The mechatronics unit decided to like.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's not what you want.
All over the M1, so that was great.
Yeah, not ideal.
Yeah, so I had to do that one and get rid of that.
Yeah.
Had just a normal Leon FR, but that wasn't quick enough, so that's why I got this.
Yes, fair play. Well, natural progression, right?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Considering how much power it's got to the front wheels, it does grip pretty well.
Yeah, it does, to be fair. I was very surprised when Adam told me to take it out for a spin. I just literally completely floored it straight away.
Straight away.
Yeah. And it literally doesn't spin hardly at all.
Yeah.
So he's done, honestly, I could not thank them enough. They've done such a brilliant job with this.
Yeah, it's such a big part of a high-powered build, isn't it? All the
definitely.
kind of software behind it.
Yeah, exactly.
A couple of things actually. The intercooler, I don't think we touched on that. That's obviously upgraded.
Yes, got the large alley intercooler.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
So temps are all pretty decent.
Yeah, all just smack bang 100.
Yeah. That's all right actually.
Yeah, 95 to 100 it sits at. So I don't think it's actually even gone over 100 yet. But maybe I haven't.
I am jealous. Mine
pushed it enough.
Boiling. Yeah, drive it harder.
Yeah.
No, anything up to like 120 is fine. Really.
Yeah.
But especially on track, you'll notice it.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have much time to like cool down because you're just flat out everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I can't help it.
I love how I can tell it's new for you still.
Yeah, honestly. Every time I drive this, my cheeks hurt smiling so much.
Well, that's the best way.
Yeah.
Because I guess you bought it completely standard as well, didn't you?
Completely standard, yeah.
Best way to do it.
Yeah.
Actually does put the power down pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's I mean, it's obviously a dry day. It's quite warm, so helps.
Yeah, it's not. It's actually quite a nice temperature today. It's only
it's all right.
21, yeah.
Not in here though, because you need AC.
Yeah, I'm sweating. It's so hot.
Nah, it's a proper cool car. So forging is the plan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Obviously, bigger brake kit.
Bigger brake. Have you got an idea what you fancy yet?
I'm not too sure. Obviously, I've seen the Porsche ones with the Porsche. Is it Porsche Cupra?
Yeah, you can get them.
The 4-pot ones.
Yeah.
Quite like the look of those.
Yeah, that looks quite cool. There's loads of options to be fair.
There's so many. Yeah.
It's obviously important if you're going to be on track.
Yeah, I won't be taking this on until it's fully done.
Yeah. That makes sense.
It's obviously obviously got the brake fluid just to get me to and from shows and things like that. But track wise, I won't be taking it on until that's finished.
You maybe get like a lap and then
yeah, exactly.
It revs high, doesn't it, as well?
Yeah, 7,500 it revs to.
Okay, so that's been raised a lot.
Yes.
I suppose because you've got a big turbo, you don't want it to, I don't know, upshift at like 6.5. Yeah. And then you'll be like off boost.
Off boost, yeah. So it goes back to about 3.5.
Okay.
So it's always going to be in boost.
Yeah.
It's great.
It's what you want, to be fair. You don't want it to just go.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it was like that before, but obviously after being in it for a few days, we've we were like, okay, let's up it up a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, so it's like completely custom then? It's, yeah.
Oh yeah, everything's all custom.
Nice.
Yeah.
And this is just normal pump fuel, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I bet you get some looks driving this.
Some good.
Sometimes maybe good.
Some bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As long as you're enjoying yourself, that's the main
Exactly.
thing.
Yeah. That's what it's all about. Obviously,
Exactly.
some people think it's a little bit loud. Yeah, I love it. So
That's what
mainly.
matters. But thank you so much for coming down though.
That's
I
all
really
right.
appreciate it.
No,
And
thank you for having me.
it'd be cool to maybe get a video of it on track one day.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That'd be good fun. But yeah, as always, if you guys want to learn more about the build, you can find George's link to the Instagram down in the description down below. For me today, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures still to come.